Hi, so as you can see by my thumbnail, today I'm going to be trying on this wig. I got this wig about last week and I wore it maybe twice so far, and I think it's a really cute wig. So yeah, if you're going to wear like this wig, definitely, you know, get your hair can roll back really small, I would suggest, and flat. Yeah, it comes in different colors, and I did measure it, like the circumference of it. It's about 19 inches, but it is like a stretchy material. So yeah, I'm gonna try it on right now. I really like this wig. When I first tried it on, it was a bit like, because it came like straight out the box, like, you know, the typical packaging that it comes with. You know, the plastic and everything like that. It came, and then like when I tried it on, it had like the, it was a bit like boxy up here, so I did take a flat iron and I did flat iron it. So if you have that issue, yeah, definitely flat iron it. It's a synthetic wig. It says, yeah, the daily wig, Outre. It's synthetic and it takes up to 400 degrees Celsius or degrees Fahrenheit heat, so you can flat iron it. I definitely prefer synthetic wigs, you know, because over human wigs, although I do have some human wigs and I do like them as well, but for me these ones are just a lot more like low maintenance. You just wash them, let them, you know, hang or air dry, and you're good to go. They don't last as long, but like if you're a single mom or like you're a busy mom, and you got a schedule, you got things to do, you don't necessarily have all that time to glue down the wig or gel it down, and you really do have to treat human hair wigs like your own, so you do have to buy more products in order to maintain them, and they're a lot more expensive. Not only the wig, but the products that go along with them. Meanwhile, these wigs, depending on the types you buy, like there's higher quality and lower quality wigs, but I've had like tried on a lot of different wigs in my day, and this one is pretty good. I think with proper care, it would last a good like 2 to 3 weeks, and at that point I would recommend exchanging it. I will come back and give an update in like 2 to 3 weeks to show you like the quality, so you can compare for yourself. But yeah, they're really practical to use, and especially like the shorter ones, you know, because there's not as much shedding with the shorter ones. There's not as much like, you know, rubbing around on your chair or whatever the case is what you're doing. It's not gonna look all raggedy at the ends. It's just lower maintenance. I do have like a few longer ones that I do use as well, and those are great for special occasions or even day-to-day too, but I just feel like this is my favorite. Like, the shorter ones are my favorite for me. I think it's flattering. It flatters my face shape and things like that. So yeah, this is it. I hope you really like this. What else can I say? Yeah, I'm gonna put a link down below to Amazon where you can purchase the wig. So this is a daily wig Ryan, and it comes in different colors. I did get the dark roots kind of pinkish color. It has, I think they have like all these like different like bright colors, like red, yellow, blue, and all these different colors, but yeah, I just went with this one because I think it just looks so nice, and I'm a pink kind of girl, you know. But yeah, I'm going to be reviewing like some other wigs, but I think for now I'm going to be rocking this wig like every day, and it's a great protective hairstyle. As you saw, like I have my natural hair. I did my big chop for like the second time last year, so it's growing back. I do plan on doing like a wash and go, or like just like maybe blowing out my hair just to show you the progress. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you're interested in that, and if you want to know like what I recommend with regards to wigs and stuff like that, because I really do like wigs because they're so practical, like I said, and I can just get up, put it on, get my kids ready, get out the door, and it looks good, and my hair is growing underneath, and at a certain point my hair is going to be like so long that I may or may not want to wear a wig. And I also with the wigs, like, you can change your look. Me, I just like, I'm really creative, and I really like to like have that ability, or like I want to be able to like maybe change my hair color, change my hairstyle. And that's the great thing about wigs. Instead of frying your hair or changing your hair color all the time, you can just put on a nice wig and voila, you know, you got a new look right then and there. So if you want my opinion on something, definitely I'm open to sharing my opinion on what wigs, like recommendations. So you can definitely, you know, just hit me up down below in the comment sections, or follow me on my Instagram, and I'll definitely be willing or be happy to let you know what I think. You know, like what looks good, what doesn't look good, because it all depends on you, right? Your face shape, your lifestyle, and your personality. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing some more reviews on different wigs, because I want to use them as a form of a protective style. You know, being practical, changing up my looks and stuff like that. Yeah, so I'm just going to come up closer so you can see. So this is the back. It moves like really nice. So I don't know if you saw that. So yeah, so I'll probably come back in about 2 weeks just to give like an update, but definitely, yeah, I have some other wigs I'm going to be rocking, I'm going to be reviewing, so subscribe and let me know if you think it looks nice, or if you would not like it, or if you do like it, or what color you would go for, or if you've bought it already. I want to know what you think. So yeah, I will definitely end it here, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.